Famous for its breathtaking stretch of sandy beaches, this iconic town is more than just a picturesque seaside escape. It's a tapestry of stories woven through time, waiting to be unveiled. As we embark on this journey, prepare to delve into a rich history and discover the cultural heart that beats within this enchanting locale. Cox's Bazar holds a special place in Bangladesh's heritage, renowned not only for its natural beauty, but also for its historical and cultural significance. For centuries, it has witnessed the ebb and flow of history, from ancient trade routes to vibrant cultural exchanges. Today, it stands as a symbol of resilience and transformation. In this documentary, we will uncover the lesser-known tales that have shaped Cox's Bazar into the beloved destination it is today. We'll explore the blend of cultures that have left an indelible mark on its identity. So join us as we set the stage for an intriguing exploration of Cox's Bazar's past, its present allure, and the promising future that lies ahead. Cox's Bazar's journey began centuries ago, founded by Captain Hiram Cox as a small settlement steeped in rich history. As we delve into its origins, we uncover the strategic importance this area held for trade and exploration. Captain Cox, a compassionate leader, played a pivotal role in its establishment, setting the stage for a town that would grow beyond its humble beginnings. Early settlers were drawn to its natural beauty and economic potential, laying down roots that would flourish over time. With each passing year, Cox's Bazar evolved, drawing diverse communities who contributed to its vibrant tapestry. The foundation laid by these pioneers paved the way for a bustling town, whose charm continues to captivate visitors today. As we explore the past, we see how the seeds sown centuries ago still bear fruit, setting the scene for the cultural evolution to come in our story. As the sands of time shift, so too has the cultural tapestry of Cox's Bazar. Emerging as a melting pot, the town has woven together a rich diversity of traditions and customs. Each community that settled here left an indelible mark, contributing to the vibrant identity that defines the town today. Imagine walking through its bustling streets, where echoes of different eras blend into a unique cultural symphony. From the influences of ancient traders to the modern-day fusion of art and cuisine, Cox's Bazar stands as a testament to cultural evolution. This vibrant exchange has not only shaped its social fabric, but also propelled its growth into a thriving hub of activity. Culture, after all, is the lifeblood that fuels this town, guiding its journey through the ages. As we delve deeper into this fascinating narrative, we see how each cultural wave has sculpted Cox's Bazar, making it more than just a beach town. It is a living canvas of history and heritage. Next, we'll explore the trials that tested this town's resilience and the triumphs that mark its enduring spirit. In the heart of Bangladesh lies Cox's Bazar, a town with a history as tumultuous as it is inspiring. Over the years, it has faced countless challenges, natural disasters that threatened its very existence, and economic shifts that tested its stability. Yet through every storm, the resilience of its people has shone through. Imagine the strength it takes to rebuild after a cyclone, or to adapt when economic tides turn. This resilience is not just a part of Cox's Bazar's history, it is its essence. As we delve deeper into this town's storied past, we uncover tales of triumph over adversity that are as awe-inspiring as the natural beauty that surrounds it. Cox's Bazar has emerged stronger, not just surviving, but thriving, a beacon of hope and perseverance. As we move forward in our journey, we will explore how this resilience continues to shape the present and inspire the future of Cox's Bazar. Today, Cox's Bazar stands as a testament to its rich history and vibrant culture. This town, once a humble settlement, has transformed into a symbol of resilience and growth. As we reflect on its journey, we see a place that has embraced its diverse cultural influences while preserving its unique identity. With every wave that kisses its shores, Cox's Bazar whispers tales of its past, inviting us to listen and learn. Yet, what truly captures the imagination is its future potential. This iconic beach town is not just a relic of history, but a beacon of endless possibilities. As the world becomes more connected, Cox's Bazar offers an opportunity for exploration and discovery unlike any other. It promises new adventures, new connections, and new stories waiting to be told. For the young and curious, Cox Bazar is a canvas, rich with opportunities to paint new horizons. It calls out to those who wish to explore further, to dive deeper into its cultural tapestry, and to walk along its historic paths. As we conclude our journey through the sands of time in this remarkable town, let us carry forward the lessons learned and the stories shared. Cox Bazar is more than just a destination. It's an invitation to witness history in motion and to be a part of its unfolding narrative. So, whether you're watching from afar or planning your next adventure, remember that Cox's Bazar is ready to welcome you with open arms. Its story continues, and you are invited to be part of it.